Hello Castle, it's Colin again, another video for you. Breakfast. We all need it. What happens if you got to do it yourself? Well, this is a Mrs. Rudwick breakfast. She has this every morning and I cook it, so I'm pretty good at doing it. Simple. Porridge. A cup. Milk and a bowl. Over there, a microwave. So this is what we do. This is a third of a cup. Doesn't matter. I'll put 1 spoon of this in the bowl. Don't need it anymore, put it away. 2 of these. Don't need it anymore, put it in the dishwasher. Ready to go, stick it in the microwave. That is going on for 2.5 minutes on full power. Now, I did say that it didn't matter about the size of the cup. If you don't eat as much porridge as Mrs. Rudwick, smaller one. Slightly bigger, that's half a cup. And for the Dylans of this world, a whole cupful. All you need is 1 cupful of porridge to 2 cupfuls of milk. Obviously now, if you have more porridge, the cooking time is going to be longer, so you might need to play around with that. Other than that, job done. What you'll find is some of you like it sweeter and some of you may not. So you can stick honey in there, golden syrup, or other stuff. Mrs. Rudwick likes blueberries, so frozen blueberries, stick them in the freezer, they last ages. Be really good. Hold on, I'm just going to check this microwave. We've got a minute, so I'm just going to put the milk away, be back in a sec. Spoon. 44 seconds left. So the reason we're doing porridge like that is because this porridge comes in a huge bag, very, very cheap to buy, whereas all those ready-made stuff, very, very expensive. This you can do in a couple of minutes in the microwave. Last, a big packet like that will last you for ages. So, see how it goes. Hold on a minute. 6 seconds left. 5, 3, 2, 1, bing. Frozen blueberries. Good thing about these is you mix it up with the porridge, and the hot porridge is enough to warm the blueberries, and the cold blueberries it's enough to cool the porridge down so you can eat it without burning yourself. Now I'm just going to put these back in the freezer. Looks a bit grey, looks a bit blue, Never mind. Cool beans. Well, blueberries. Anyway, job done. 2.5 minutes. Great. See you later. Bye. If I can get it stopped.